This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Marion Sherrod. Investor or first-time buyer opportunity. Don't miss this chance to own a charming 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom home featuring a separate dining room and a dedicated laundry area. Ceiling fans do not convey. This property is being sold as the owner will make no repairs. HVAC was installed July 2024. Conveniently located near schools, shopping, and major routes. Bonus, the home is currently tenant-occupied, and the tenant would like to remain in place, offering immediate rental income for investors. For more information, review the details below or contact Marion Sherrod at 757-638-5700.